Welcome back to RSS Studio. In today's video, we're going to open up 5 Legendary Heartbeat Booster Packs. Let's get started. Pack number 1. 2 from the back. Remember, bear with me if I don't know the Pokemon's name. At the top of my tongue, there's Energy, Clefairy, a bird, a nice hollow, and sugar, and some kind of, I don't know, Moo Milk product or something. Pack number 2. Two from the back. We got a Lucario, another one of those sandwich looking things or something, a bird, a Wooper, oops, you saw that, Weedle, a V card, I don't know his name right now, and a awesome looking Beedrill. Pack number 3. Two from the back. We got a Pelican type bird, a Charm, Pineco. I can't remember right now. A Shuppet. Oh, holy fucking shit! Excuse my language. Sorry. Holy shit! Oh my. This is the one I've been fucking wanting. Oh my god! Sorry, I keep swearing, but no, that's me. I'm gonna do it anyway. That is so freaking cool. That is definitely getting a sleeve after this video. Holy smokes. This is the one I really wanted to pull, and I pulled it. Those who follow me on Twitter know. I can't remember right now, but someone asked me, what is it I really want to pull? And this was the card I really wanted to pull. So there we go. The, what do they call it? Something rare. Amazing rare, shall it be? That's fucking cool. And then we got a Quagsire at the end. Awesome. Awesome sauce. I did not expect that quickly. Alright, here's pack number 3 out of 5. No, 4 out of 5. Sorry, I miscounted there. Alright, 2 from the back. Excuse me. Clefable. Shuppet. Yanma. Ooh, a V and a V Max. I can't remember the names right now, but I knew this one involves this one, so I knew there was going to be Max of it, so that's how I knew, but yes. And the paddle pack number 5. If I could open pack number 5. And stay tuned for next week, Friday, at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. There will be another 5-pack opening of this set. Legendary Heartbeats. Alright. At this Pokemon, I'm going to start a new pile, because this one just slips. A Trainer, a Weedle, Electric, this thing again, I can't remember, and then, sorry, I can't really. So many Pokemon I can't remember unless I'm reading off it. I do know who the Pokemon are, but anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time.